He filled me with the Holy Spirit.
Upendap yang ada umensim bakut.
And He guided me to read the Bible.
Ulay alam yang aban pulay ya ka Bible.
22nd December 2006, I started reading my New Testament.
Aku artrik December jengkas nem arhajar henrio. Ngalas dang ban pulay ya ka Testament ka batmai.
4th of January 2007, I completed it, and 5th took
Bat
baptism.
ngaladep ban pulay ya ka naduk basdang haduk bakut haka satrik jeng benai January arhajar henyo. Bat haka si ka babut ngalabut ya utrai haka jingsya penbaptis.
Because in the Bible, John the Baptist was reminding everyone about the reverence of the Lord is coming, and so be cleansed and be pure.
Namarbah ka Bible, uyo nis nang penbaptis ulapan kenal, baka buram utray kalawan, kumtatos sad khud batulong kibakod.
I continued to read the Bible till March.
Nga beteng ban pulay ka Bible na do basdang hadu bakod,
March 5th, I completed it.
bat haka santarik jong benay mat, nga lapendep ban pulay biang na basdang hadu bakod.
And since then, I read the Bible couple of times.
Bat nadu kata kapor, nga pulay ka Bible arsin sisgi.
I only spend all my time with Him and with His Word.
Bat ngalayay pelut ya kapor bat ublay bat ru ban pulay ya kaktian jong u.
2007, I entered into the year of the rest.
Ha usnem arhajar nyo ngalarung siya usnem jong kajingjat tad.
He truly gave me rest and peace.
Si siya ublay ula ay hangaya kajingjat tad bat kajingso.
Because I totally surrendered to Him.
Namarbang la ay tilut ilade siya u.
And now, since then, He guides me and the Holy Spirit guides me through.
Bat menta nadu kata kapor hadu menta umensim ublay uyay yalam lentiyanga.
For 2 years, I only spent time alone with Him, all alone for several hours, closed in my closet, alone with my Lord.
Arsnem ngala pelut ya kapor tang bat ublay. Bat daki kenta hapok ki kamra jonga nga pelut por marway bat utray jonga.
Even 14-15 hours a day.
Wat haduk katsan kenta haka shisni.
After 2 years,
Bat hadin arsnem
here I am.
snem ngalami perthay bat ngadan hangni.
Wanting to share the joy of His word, just the way Abraham, when he was asked to give his most beloved possession, his only child.
Ngakwa banyathu siya pang jong kajing kemen kaktin jong ublay. Kumbalong u Abraham, hadin ba ublay ulapan niya ukun ba marway jong u.
He was ready to give it up for the Lord's. And when the angels came and said, Abraham, Abraham, just when he was about to give up his son,
Bat ulalong ubalakloy ban ay ukun jong u siya ublay. Bat habaki angel kilawan, kilakot yu u Abraham, Abraham, ha kapor, kabau Abraham, utmu ban kenyay ukun jong u.
so I say, here I am. Lord, use me the way you want to use me.
Hang ni ngadon. Pendon kam yang akat bakum ba mekwa yang ban pendon kam.
Truly think that it is not me who is living, it is He who is living in me.
Namar basisya ngalap perkat. Badai mau ba im hapok jonga.
I am born again, a new creature. All that is past is gone. This is a new creation of Christ Lord.
Lakha arsin yang bat ngadai ka jing thau ka batmai. Ki barim barok ki lalikno. Bat kane kadai ka jing thau batmai jong ukris utrai.
I want to be the vessel that wants to be used by the Lord.
Ngakwa banlong ukhiu uban pendon kam da ublay.
I want to be that pot and that clay that my master can mold me any which way he wants to make a masterpiece out of me.
Bat nakwa banlong kum uto ukiu bat kadau bertaha. Kenang ba ukanrat jenga. Ula bantau dorianga kat kum kamon jeng u.
I want his will to be done in my life.
Nyakwa bakamon jeng ublay. Kan long haka jing im gajonga.
Because I know that he is the planner of all plans.
Namar ngatip ba uday unong plan jong kinong plan baro.
He has great plans for me, and for the purpose I am here.
Udan ka plan ka bakraw nagbanta jonga. Bat day ka tagadaw. Na dan hang ne nakabanta ka jing tmu jong u.
Satan is the king of the ruler of the world.
Ursoitan uday unong sansyar jong kapatay.
But Jesus is the ruler of the rulers.
Nray U Jisu uday unong sansyar jong kinong sansyar.
He is the Lord of all lords.
Uday utray jong kitray.
With him I have strength in me.
Bat udan kabor hapot jonga.
He who is in me is greater than he who is outside of me.
Uta ubadan bat nga ukham kraw. Banya uta ubadan syabar jonga.
And if he who is for me, then who can be against me?
Bat haba udan bat nga. Mano banla banile persyaya nga.
So many beautiful things started manifesting in my
Idan
life.
sibun ki basngok tenang. Ki basdang banuan haka jing im ka jonga.
This little newborn baby, I was experiencing complete bliss, peace, rest, because he was my rock, my shelter, my deliverer.
Kum ka kunlung ka badang syukha thamai ha utray. Ngala syam ya ka jing suk. Jing tengan bat jing jathat. Namar ba uday umau siang ka jakari bat unong pelat jonga.
He is the Jehovah Jireh, the Lord of all supplications and all provisions.
Uday u Jehovah Jireh. Utray nong pendam.
His mercies are new every day. He is the compassionate Lord, and with him we are the overcomers.
Bat ki jing isun ay jung u kilong thamai man kasi. Uday ublay ubadap da ka jing isun ay. Bat rengkat bat u ngilong kinong job.
Whatever we try to do with our flesh, we cannot do it. But with the Spirit, with the help of the Holy Spirit and the guidance of the Holy Spirit, there is nothing that is impossible.
Ki ay ki bangi kwa banle. Bat kado nginom la banle ay. Nray rengkat ka jing yarap umansing bakut. Omdan kano ka bomla.
He is there with us 24/7 because he doesn't sleep nor slumber.
Udan bat ngi hakipor baro. Namar ba juthia lemne samthia.